Namaste, friends. I'm Dr. Kirti Kanodia, and welcome to Toshni Institute. Today, we are going to work on releasing the belief system that is creating lot of limitations in the mind, in the soul, and in the body. So, let's begin with the meditation. Just relax. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it out. Keep breathing. Allow yourself to breathe deep into your own self and exhale. Exhale all the stress. Exhale all the limitations that is there in your mind. Just breathe. The more you breathe, the more you relax. Allow yourself to feel these breaths in your mind, in your body, deep into yourself. Keep breathing. Let's utilize this time to release the beliefs that is there within you. You don't need it. It is not serving your purpose. Let's release it out. Keep breathing. Focus on your breaths and allow yourself to breathe. While you're breathing, you might feel there are many thoughts, many ideas, or the judgments coming up. Allow it to come, allow it to surface. This is how you will get to know what you're holding and what you need to release. So keep breathing. If you feel any thoughts, any judgment surfacing, be with it. But focus on your breaths as much as possible. And the beliefs that is coming up right now could be given to you by anyone. It doesn't matter. But what matters is what you have to release it out. Allow yourself to release this breath, all the belief system that you're holding here. Keep breathing. Focus on your breaths. Keep breathing. Now, when you're completely in your breaths and allowing yourself to be, just ask yourself what is bothering you right now in your life? What is surfacing in your mind right now? All the judgments that has been given to you. Maybe people always guided you what you need to do, what you don't need to do in your life. But now you know the truth that these beliefs does not shape you. It does not create you. What will create is your own system, your own thoughts that you hold for yourself. Allow yourself to let go. Let go of what is surfacing in your mind right now. Allow yourself to let go. Release it out. These beliefs, these judgments, no matter where it has come from, it's over. It ends now. Let it go. Just visualize yourself with each and every breath you're taking now. Allow it as if you're shedding the skin and releasing it out. Shed all the coats, all the skin that you have chosen to wear because of this belief system. Whatever is coming for you. Maybe you felt people are judging you, saying you're too emotional, you're too angry, you're too sensitive, blah, 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 whatever it is. Whatever is coming up right now, just notice and let it go. It's over. It ends now. Release it out from your system. One by one, shed it off. See it going away into the white light of the universe where it will be recycled. Allow it to go. And when you are doing this, allow yourself to feel the energy of being you, being who you are. Say to yourself, this is not my reality, and I choose to release this from my system right now, right here. I choose to release. I choose to let go. It's over. It ends now. This is not my identity. This is not my reality. And I release it right now. Now breathe in and breathe out. With each and every breath you're taking now, let these false identities going away, shedding like a dark clouds. It's over. Let it go. Let it pass. Knowing the fact you are not what others has labeled you. You are not the fears or projections of others. So let go of all the fears, all the projections of the others that they imposed on you through the judgments. Release it out. With each and every breath you're taking now, release it out. Just let it go. It's over. It ends now. And while doing this, feel the light, feel the sunshine within you. You are this light. You are the sunshine. Allow your soul to radiant. Allow your mind to feel the light and allow your body to feel the love. The truth is, you are the light and you're worthy of this love. You're worthy of being who you are. With each and every breath, allow this energy to expand. Allow yourself to get filled with your own energy, your own soul's light, your own sunshine, and your true voice within. Knowing the fact this is your reality, be with it. Allow it to flow, allow it to grow. Say to yourself, I choose myself. I claim myself and I am free to be what I am. I am free to be what I am. I claim the truth of my soul. I allow myself to shine within. Feel your body. Be with yourself. And again, let go. If anything crossing your mind that does not belong to you, let it go. And allow your soul to radiant. Allow the sunshine within you. You are whole. You are complete. You are wise. And you're free to be who you are. Be with yourself. Welcome yourself and get one with your mind, body, and soul. Say to yourself, I choose my identity and I believe into my soul's existence. I believe in being who I am. Keep breathing and allow this energy to grow. Feel the sunshine, feel this light, and allow it to expand into your mind, body, and soul as much as possible. Get aware of who you truly are. Get aware of who you truly could be. Be with yourself. And when you feel right, just bring back your awareness into your physical body, where you are right now. And when you feel right, only then bring back your awareness into the room and open your eyes. Take your time. Be with it as much as possible. And allow this shine, this light to radiate within you. Take your time. See you again in another video. Be happy, be safe, take care.